So guys, the account is gone. So guys, I entered the trade the level I said I'm going to enter the trade. Are you seeing the chat?
What's up, guys? It's your boss and welcome back to the channel. So guys, it's a new week. Today is Monday. So guys, I took a sell on GBP today, which went really well. As I said in my previous video, guys, I'll be funding little amount to this account just for flipping, nothing much, nothing more. I'll be going aggressive on this account, which is there's no risk management I want to do on this kind of account. You know, funding like $3, $5 to this in your trading account, there is no risk management you want to do on it. How are you going to do your risk management? Are you going to be risking $2-3 per trade? Which how long will it take you to grow this kind of account? So just look for a good setup and just go all in. So guys, that is the same thing I did today with this trade. I saw the setup and I just kept stacking. So guys, let me show you how I'm able to make $12 from this trade, guys. So let's head on to the video, guys.
So guys, this is my 15-minute chart. So this was the move that happened on Friday, which is NFP. So market is like wanting to create liquidity. Market is building up liquidity for now. So how I was able to catch this setup is that market came back to this support, this resistance rather, guys, came back to this resistance and held it, swept out this high. So guys, let me show you guys this indicator, which is I'll recommend you guys to check out this indicator. So it is used, I just use this indicator to identify these sessions, to know the session I'm trading, and how to capitalize on this session. So let me on this indicator right here, guys. So this is it. This is Asian range. Market came to the downside during London session, then it started ranging. Then when New York session came, New York session took out this London high. Then when I saw this liquidity sweep at this area, then I saw this double top right here. When it pushed down, it pushed up and it started coming to downside. I saw market, this candle closing below this previous week. Then I took the sell and I aimed for this liquidity right here. So it is just a simple trade right here. So the reason why I took this trade mainly is that market is respecting this resistance right here. Market is respecting this resistance right here. So when market pushed to the downside, so when I saw the push to the downside and I saw that market is ranging at this London session is ranging, and I know that mainly market might just come when during New Year session, market might just come and sweep that London high. Then but what make this confirmation really solid is that I saw this double top, and mainly I've traded a double top and double bottom in the past, and it was very, very, very effective. So when market did this, because I was looking at this was a breakout, so I was kind of still skeptical on the setup, but I just added a double top strategy. I added my double top strategy to this setup, so which is I just waited for this push down and this push up. Then when I saw the reversal and I saw that this candle is closing bearish and it is engulfing this previous week, then I just sold from here and I just aimed for this liquidity. It was just a quick trade, which was I didn't stay long in the market. I just took my profit as soon as I could. So that's it for today, guys. So let's see you again when I take another trade. So stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? Today's story. So guys, I'm looking to take this sell on GBP. So this is my view today, guys. So I'm expecting market to tap into this zone because market took out all this low right here, though market hasn't breaking this structure to a downside, which is market is still in between this range at this high, this range and this range. So I feel that when market might come tap into this zone, this is my view, this is what I'm going to do, guys. So markets will rather come tap into this order block right here, then come to this down. So I'm just aiming for this order block right here. So I just want market to sweep out this liquidity as this it was taking out this high, so I want it to push back to this premium zone right here. So then I'll trade the reversal back to this order block. So this is just my view today on GBP. So that's just it, guys.
So guys, right now we are still in London session, so the trade might trigger during New York session. So I don't know, anytime market reach that level, I'm trading from that level. So guys, I have like $4 plus in my trading account right now, so I'll be showing my trading account right here. So I'll be going full margin on the account. Whenever the trigger, I'll be going full margin. If it's gonna end me with a win or a loss, I'm still gonna show it to you guys. So guys, if you want to use the same broker I trade, which is the account I'm showing you, I'm trading with BTCdana, which is they have at least $1 to $2, $3 upward minimum deposit. So I'll be leaving the link below. I'll also be leaving my promo code for you guys to get bonuses while using the broker. So guys, I'll be leaving unnecessary link below so you guys can go check it out. So stay tuned, guys.
So guys, the account is gone. So guys, I entered the trade the level I said I'm going to enter the trade. Are you seeing the chart? I just seen the chart. So I entered the level at the level I said I'm going to enter the trade. So, but I used a limit order. I think what I've noticed so far is that limit order doesn't really work for me. I think I mostly get my winning trades using market execution, because when I'm using market execution, I tend to wait for more confirmation, like a double top or a double bottom. But when I'm using a limit order, there's no need to wait for other person. The price will just get to a certain level and the trade will just trigger. So I think I will just execute anything limit order for my trading. I think that's one error I need to look into. So guys, the account is gone. I lost almost all the money I funded in the account. I think it is left with about $1 plus just a little bit of change. So we go again when we fund another account. So I'm not sure I'll be trading tomorrow, though I still have the $12 I make on the trade I took on Monday. It's on a different account. This is also a different account. I'm trading 2 accounts, so that's where dollar is still intact, but this one I funded today is gone. So we go again next week, guys. I think I'm not sure I'll be trading tomorrow, Friday. I just want to chill and just come back next week rather. So guys, stay tuned. Next year is gonna go, guys. So guys, today's Saturday. This is the P&L for the week, guys. So guys, I took a win on this account and I took a loss on this account. So I took 2 trades this week, and I ended up with 1 win and 1 loss, which is I lost about $2 plus. So I'm still left with about $8 and something cent, almost $9. So this is how trading should be. Every trade you take shouldn't be a winning trade. You take losses and you take winning trades. Just make sure that your wins are more better than your losses. So guys, this week was great. This week was amazing. I won't lie. So guys, that's it for the week. My recommended broker is in the description, so you guys can go check it out. Support your boy in any way you can, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. Much love, guys.